China's AI ambitions just hit a major hurdle. DeepSeek's anticipated R2 model is delayed due to severe performance issues with Huawei's AI chips. What does this mean for China's tech independence, and how is NVIDIA still in the lead? Coming up, DeepSeek's AI setback, Apple's surprising new AI robot, Oracle reshaping health records with AI, and cutting-edge advancements in language models. Let's break down each headline. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with what's shaping the AI world. DeepSeek's highly awaited R2 model has been delayed indefinitely. The company faced persistent hardware and software failures using Huawei's Ascend chips. Despite government pressure, they had to revert to NVIDIA's H20 GPUs. Their usage rate plummeted from 50% to 3%. Experts call this a reality check for China's push to replace US tech in AI. The domestic AI accelerator effort is still facing engineering setbacks. NVIDIA's training performance still leads the field globally. Moving on, Apple is building a groundbreaking AI device, a tabletop robot companion. Set to launch in 2027, it's equipped with a 7-inch screen on a robotic arm that physically turns to face the user. It's being described as the Pixar lamp of AI. This device runs a new version of Siri with visual avatars like Memoji and is built for constant interaction. The robot can proactively suggest content, hold social conversations, schedule activities, and even track users during FaceTime calls. User engagement is central to Apple's vision. Alongside the robot, a simpler home hub is planned for 2026. Both run the new charismatic OS and feature a cheerful, proactive Siri that can inject itself into conversations, sparking debate about over-social AI. Next, Oracle is embedding AI into its electronic health record systems. The goal? Accelerate clinical documentation, support diagnoses, and automate tasks to reduce physician burnout. This is a major milestone for AI in healthcare. Oracle's AI-enhanced EHR platforms reflect a wider trend in medical technology, embedding intelligent systems directly into workflows to improve efficiency and accuracy in real time. It's a promising step for both doctors and patients. Our next story: major developments in text-based AI research. New models are being trained to better understand and generate contextual language across sectors, from medical diagnoses to enterprise automation to real-time customer service. These advancements are laying the groundwork for more responsive, linguistically accurate AI, powering the next generation of tools in healthcare, business analysis, and human-computer interaction. The evolution of language models continues at pace. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. Check the link in the description and explore how ClassKid helps unlock learning potential. Let's wrap up. DeepSeek's delays show barriers in building sovereign AI infrastructure. Apple reimagines voice assistants with personality-driven robotics. Oracle and language researchers are embedding AI deep into professional spaces. The AI momentum keeps growing. Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakthrough. Like, comment, and share your thoughts below.